Hi guys, welcome back to Draw with Sandy at the Little Artistic Nook. Today we'll be drawing this cute little beaver, so let's get started. To begin, come to just above center of your page and draw out a small heart for your beaver's nose. From underneath the heart, extend a small straight line and then draw in a little smile by creating two little curves at the bottom of this line. For the beaver's tooth, we will draw two straight lines coming out from the bottom of that mouth and then closing them off at the bottom with a horizontal line. Draw a shorter line in between just to create that toothy look. Next, draw in your beaver's eyes by coming to the side of the nose and making a large oval and then repeating the same step on the other side of the nose. My eyes are always in line with the nose because that makes it super cute. Next, let's add in some eyelids for our beaver by coming back to the top of the eye and tracing over the curve and then extending a line just past the outside edge. Do this on both eyes. To draw in the highlights, I'm going to first draw a large circle at the top of both eyes, and then I'm going to add in a small heart just beneath the first highlight. Then I'm going to color in my eyes. Next, I'm going to draw in some cheeks for my beaver by coming to the outside edge of the eye and drawing a curve that wraps underneath and connects on the inside edge. Do this on both eyes. And then you can add in some little eyebrows for a cute little expression. To create my beaver's head, I'm going to find the center of his nose and then draw a small dot above the eyebrows and then a small dot just below the center of his tooth. Next, I'm going to connect those two dots by drawing a curved line that goes all the way around my beaver's face and then continuing that line all the way around the other side. Next, I'm going to draw in the ears for my beaver by just finding where the eyebrows are and then drawing a small loop above them on top of his head. You can draw in a little loop inside of that first one to create the inside of his ear. Do the same thing on the other side for his second ear. Next, I'm going to plan out where my beaver's body is going to be. So first, I'm going to draw one small line on the left that's pointing to the left corner and then another small line on the right beneath his face. On the left, we're going to draw in the back side of his body. So starting from that marker, you're going to curve a line away from the center of your page and then wrap it back around as you come to the bottom of your picture. Then coming to the front of your beaver, draw from that little marker just a slightly curved line that is moving towards the bottom right corner. To create his front paw, come inside the body and draw a small, shallow curved line that almost looks like an S, and then create a longer, similar curved line underneath that, connecting it with a curve at the front for the front of his paw. You can draw in the finger lines and then draw a paw behind by just connecting a curved line that comes from the body and touches the top of his front paw. Then finish off his belly by continuing that front line from underneath his paws. Leave an opening at the bottom so we have room for his foot. To begin the foot, come back into the body and starting close to our back line, we'll draw a large C or rainbow shape that faces the bottom of our page. Then, coming to the front of that, draw a second, smaller rainbow shape, again coming towards the bottom of the page. From just behind there, I'm going to draw in his second foot by just creating a small little hooked line that's coming down towards the bottom of my page and in line with his first foot. Then I'm just going to add in a small toe line on the front foot and then close off the bottom of the back foot and close off the front paw as well. So there's still a big space, and that's where his tail is going to be. So to draw in his tail, I'm going to create two lines in the shape of a V that are really close to the back line of his body. From the top, create a curved line that connects with the back of the foot, and then from that second marker, sweep that curve down below the body towards the bottom of your page and wrap it all the way around to close off the front of the tail. This beaver is going to be holding a branch of leaves, so to draw in the branch, I'm going to start by drawing a line underneath his front paw. And then to show that he's holding it, I'm going to continue that line behind the front paw, but in front of the back paw. You can make this line straight, curvy, whatever you like. Then to draw in my leaves, I'm going to create a curved line, and connecting at the top, I'm going to curve a second line to meet back at the bottom. So all of my leaves have a pointy bottom and a pointy top. Feel free to draw any kind of leaves you like, and of course as many as you like. Now that I'm almost done drawing my leaves, I'm just going to add in some details to give them shape by drawing a line from the bottom to the top and then drawing out some smaller lines from the center to the outside edges. Next, I'm going to draw in the ground that my beaver is standing on by drawing out a squiggly line from one side of his body that is higher than the bottom of his foot, and then doing the same thing on the other side. To add some details to this picture, I'm going to draw in some cattails. So to do that, I'm going to first start by drawing a curved line or stem that connects to the ground. And then I'm going to draw in some leaves, and this time I'm just going to do little raindrop shaped leaves. And at the top of my stem, I'm going to draw in the cattail. So to do this, I create a shape that is similar to an oval, but has a slightly flatter top and bottom. From the very top of this shape, I'm just going to draw a small little line. If you'd like it to be super cute, then feel free to add in a little face just like me. I'm going to draw in a second one just so that he doesn't feel lonely. So start once again by drawing out a stem. It can be as curvy or as straight as you like. Drawing the top of your cattail by creating an oval with a flatter bottom and flatter top, and then drawing a small line from the top. And of course, I'm going to add in another cute face because I just love them. And don't forget to draw in any leaves on your cattail. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and stay tuned to see if your artwork's been featured at the end of this video. So until next time on another Draw with Sandee at the Little Artistic Nook, keep making art and keep smiling.